Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about public transportation in Japan. In this video, you will follow a simple and easy story about a traveler and a local student. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Which door do you get off from? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, a little. How can I help you?
Oh, thank you. I am so glad.
You're welcome. Are you a traveler?
Yes, I am. This is my first time in Japan.
Welcome to Japan. I hope you like it.
Thank you. I like it very much. But I have a small problem.
What is the problem?
I want to go to the train station. Is this the right bus stop?
Yes, this is the right bus stop. I am going to the station too.
Really? That is great news.
You can follow me. It is easy.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
My name is Ken. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ken. My name is Ellie.
That's a nice name. Where are you from, Ellie?
I am from Canada. And you? Are you from here?
Yes, I live near this town. I am a university student.
Oh, nice. What do you study?
I study English and history.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
That is the best way.
Which bus did you want to take?
I am not sure. The bus numbers are hard to read for me.
I understand. Many buses stop here.
Yes, I was a little worried.
Do not worry. I will show you the right one.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Is this your first trip by bus here?
Yes, my very first time. I took a taxi from the airport, but that is all.
I see. A bus is cheaper than a taxi.
Yes, that is why I want to try it.
That is a good idea. You can see the town from the window, too.
Oh, that sounds nice. I like looking out the window. Ken, can I ask you something?
Of course. Please, ask me anything.
How do I get on the bus in Japan?
Good question. In this town, you get on from the back door.
The back door? Not the front door?
That is right. You get on from the back and you get off from the front.
Oh, that is different from my country.
How do you do it in Canada?
In my city, we get on from the front door, and we pay first.
I see. In Japan, it depends on the bus.
So, when do I pay here?
You pay when you get off the bus.
When I get off? That is new for me.
Yes, the driver is in the front. You pay next to the driver.
I see. How much is the bus?
The price is not always the same. It can change.
Why does it change?
It changes with the distance. A long ride costs more money.
Oh, I understand. How do I know the price?
There is a small screen in the bus. It shows your number and the price.
A number? What number?
When you get on, you take a small paper with a number.
Oh, I see. And the screen shows the price for my number.
Yes, that is the price you pay.
That is a smart system. Do you want to pay by cash or by card?
Can I pay by card, like a credit card? Not a credit card. We use a special card called an IC card.
An IC card? What is that?
It is a small card. You put money on it, then you touch it on the reader.
Oh, I see. You just touch it?
Yes, just touch. It is very easy and fast.
Where can I buy one?
You can buy one at the station. I can help you later.
Thank you. Today I will use cash.
That is fine. Do you have small coins?
I have some coins and a bill.
Good. The bus has a machine to change bills into coins.
Oh, that is helpful. Thank you for telling me.
Look, the bus is coming.
Oh, I am a little nervous.
Do not worry. Just follow me.
Wow, the bus is very clean.
Yes, buses in Japan are often clean.
Let's sit here. Is this seat okay?
Yes, this seat is fine.
Can I ask a question? Why is the bus so quiet?
Good question. In Japan, people try to be quiet on the bus.
Really? Everyone is so quiet.
Yes, we do not talk in a loud voice.
We are talking now. Is that okay?
It is okay because we are talking in a quiet voice.
Oh, I see. I will speak softly too.
Thank you. Also, we do not talk on the phone on the bus.
No phone calls? Not even a short one?
That is right. It is not polite.
I see. In my country, some people talk on the phone.
Every country has different manners.
Yes, that is true. Hey, look at those seats. They are a different color.
Oh, those are priority seats.
Priority seats? What does that mean?
Those seats are for older people, sick people, or people with babies.
Oh, I understand. We have the same in my country.
Many countries have them. It is a kind idea.
Yes, I think so too. Can young people sit there?
Yes, you can sit there if the bus is not full.
And if someone needs the seat?
Then you stand up and give the seat to them.
That is nice. It is a kind rule.
Look, we are almost at the station.
Oh, already? That was fast.
Yes, now we need to press the button.
What button?
This small button on the wall, it tells the driver to stop.
Oh, I see. Can I press it?
Sure, please push it.
Okay, there. I pressed my first bus button in Japan.
Great job. Now let's get ready to get off.
I will get my coins ready.
Good. Remember, we pay at the front.
Yes, I remember. Pay at the front, get off at the front.
Perfect.
Wow, this station is big.
Yes, many people use this station every day.
There are so many signs. I do not know where to go.
Do not worry. First, we buy a ticket.
Where do we buy a ticket?
At the ticket machine. Look, over there.
Oh, I see the machines. There are many of them.
Yes, let's go to one that is not busy.
Okay, this machine is free.
Good. First, look at the big map above the machine.
A map? Oh, I see. It has many station names.
Yes, find the station you want to go to.
I want to go to the shopping area. What is the station name?
The station name is on your map. Can I see it?
Yes, here. I want to go to this place.
Oh, I know this one. The station is close to it.
Great. How much is the ticket?
Look at the map. There is a number next to each station.
Oh, I see. The number is the price?
Yes, That number is the price from here to that station.
I see. The price is 200 yen.
Good. Now put your money in the machine.
Okay. Coins or bills?
Both are okay. The machine takes coins and bills.
Okay. I will use a bill.
Nice. Now push the button for 200 yen.
There are so many buttons. Where is it?
Look for the number 200. It is here.
Oh, I see it. I will press it.
Good. Now the ticket and change will come out.
Wow, that was fast. Here is my ticket.
Great. Do not lose it.
Why not?
You need the ticket to get out at the next station, too.
Oh, I see. So I use it 2 times?
Yes, once here and once at the other station.
I will keep it safe.
Good. Now let's go to the train.
Okay, where is the gate?
It is right here. Put your ticket in this slot.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. The ticket comes out on the other side.
Oh, I see it. I got it.
Great job.
Wow, the train is very clean, too.
Yes, people try to keep it clean.
Let's stand here. I want to look out the window.
Sure, the view is nice.
The train is quiet, too, just like the bus.
Yes, on the train, we try to be quiet too.
Do people talk on the phone on the train?
No, we do not. It is the same rule.
I see. That is a good rule.
Many people read or listen to music on the train.
Oh, I see. Some people are sleeping too.
Yes, that is a common thing.
Is it safe to sleep on the train?
Yes, it is safe. Many people do it every day.
That is amazing. In my country, many people do not sleep on the train.
Really? That is interesting.
Yes, because they are worried about their bags.
I understand. Here, most people feel safe.
That is very nice.
But please be careful with your bag too.
Yes, of course, I am holding it.
Good.
Ken, the train is getting a little crowded now.
Yes, this is a busy time of day.
What time is it now?
It is around 5 in the afternoon.
Oh, I see. People are going home from work.
Yes, morning and evening are the busy times.
I will try not to take too much space.
That is kind of you.
Ken, I have a question. Is the train always on time?
Yes, trains here are usually on time.
Really? Even in busy times?
Yes, the train comes at the same time every day.
That is amazing. In my country, trains are sometimes late.
Here, it is rare for a train to be late.
That is why so many people use the train.
Yes, the train is easy to use and you can trust the time.
I really like that.
It is also cheaper than a taxi.
Oh, good point. How often does the train come?
Every few minutes here.
Every few minutes? That is so fast.
Yes, so you do not need to wait long.
I love it.
The next stop is our stop. Let's get ready.
Okay, I have my ticket ready.
Perfect.
We are here. That was a fun trip.
Yes, you did a great job.
Thank you, Ken. I learned a lot today.
What did you learn?
I learned how to take the bus and the train in Japan.
That is great.
At first, it was a little hard for me.
I understand. Being in a new country can be hard.
Yes, but now I feel better.
That is good to hear.
I was worried about the bus stop. I was worried about the money.
I know, but you did everything well.
Thank you. You were a great teacher.
I am glad I could help.
I understand how to take the bus now. I understand how to pay, and I can buy a train ticket.
Yes, you can do it by yourself now.
Do you really think so?
Yes, I really think so. You learn fast.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
Do not worry. You will get used to it soon.
I hope so.
Next time, try to use the IC card.
Yes, I want to try. It looks so easy.
It is very easy. You just tap and go.
I like the sound of that. Tap and go.
Yes, tap and go.
Ken, can I tell you something?
Sure. What is it?
Next time, I want to take the bus and train by myself.
Oh, that is a great plan.
I am a little scared, but I want to try.
That is a good way to think.
If I can do it here, I can do it in other cities too.
That is right. Every station is a little different, but the idea is the same.
I feel more confident now.
That is good. Travel is more fun when you feel confident.
Thank you for everything today, Ken.
You're welcome, Ellie. Have a great trip in Japan.
Thank you. I will.
Take care and enjoy.
You too. See you again someday.
See you. Good luck.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Which door do you get off from? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with useful tips for daily conversation. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.